Greetings from Ekudden in the Flaten Nature Reserve. This is a nudist beach spot here in the beautiful forest here in Stockholm, and it is 23rd of June today, Monday, cloudy Monday, and we have the midsummer weekend behind us, which means that now we are in summer, and this is how summer looks like in Sweden sometimes. Well, to be fair, the last few summers were quite amazing, so I will not complain about that. It is 2 p.m. right now, and I am the only person here today. As well as I see on the other side, where we have Stora Flattenbadet, Barnbadet Flaten, and Lilla Flattenbadet, there is nobody even there, even on the public beaches. I mean, it's not that cold, to be fair. It is 16 degrees Celsius in the air, and I just measured the temperature in the lake. It's 18 degrees in Lake Flaten. Same temperature as yesterday that I have measured in Dreviken, another lake not so far away from here. To be fair, yesterday I came here first for my beach adventure, but there were some people here, so I decided to choose a different location yesterday. Today, to keep me company on my beach adventure, is my Cube. That is my only functioning bike right now, as my Ghost, my hybrid bike, was stolen yesterday, as I have told you as well, and I still haven't gotten over it. I got only $100 back from the insurance, and I bought the bike for $800, but 5 years ago. And currently the same bike, new one, costs $1,100, which means now it's more expensive. So I don't know, it was a very a low, how to say, insurance money, but it is what it is. Now I have slightly better locks for this bike, but I'm not sure if that will gonna work anyway. So let's see if my Cube is next on the line. And yes, my Scott is also there, but I need to fix the tire still. I was a bit devastated from the stolen bike, so I might actually buy a monthly card for the public transport in order to go actually to the further beaches that I don't usually cycle to, and summer is the best time for that. So after my trip tomorrow, because I'm going tomorrow actually to another city in Sweden, unfortunately the forecast doesn't look so good, but I'm gonna be swimming there anyway. So stay tuned for those beach adventures that I'm gonna post in about 2 or 3 days when I'm back. So yeah, summer, cloudy weather is back, and I'm showing you Ekudden. It's been a while since I've been on this beach actually, and it's actually one of my favorite beach spots. It's only 8.5 kilometers from my home, and today with my Cube it took only 22 minutes, so very fast indeed. And it's overlooking just forest everywhere, and the Flaten lake, that is one of my favorite lakes that is close to my home. All right, enough talking, more beach adventuring, as I need to get back home soon. Today is going to be a very short adventure, as I have an early flight tomorrow morning. And yes, it's a flight because it's long where I'm going to the north of Sweden. So looking forward to it, despite the weather forecast says only 13 degrees maximum and light rain. So I need to grab some more warmer clothes indeed. Here what is so interesting is that there are shells in this lake Flaten, and some plants as well, lake plants that are growing, and the warmer it is, the larger the plants are, and it's basically impossible to swim here in August, which is why I usually don't come here during the summer, but it's good again in autumn. So Ekudden, nudist beach spot here, in unofficial one in the Swedish nature on 23rd of June. Let's then go in for a swim in the lake Flaten. Let's go! Amazing. The plants are still good. They're not so huge. Wonderful summer day in Stockholm. I must be honest, I have gotten a lot more clothes on me than I should have actually today. Oh, it's deep here. But I said better safe than sorry, because it looked quite depressing when I looked out of my balcony. So yeah, the water is quite nice though, 18 degrees Celsius. It gives summer vibes still. So with this view of this wonderful nudist beach spot in Flaten, Stockholm, it's time to wrap up today's beach adventure. And thank you so much for watching this beach adventure, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.